In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a message in Gmail that's already been sent. This is a valuable skill for anyone using Gmail regularly, as it can save us from the embarrassment or error of sending a message too soon or with incorrect information. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to do this effectively. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. Once you're logged into your account, locate the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says See All Settings. Now, you'll find yourself on the Settings page. Here, look for the Undo Send section, which might be nestled under the General tab. This feature is crucial for recalling a sent email. You'll notice an option to set a cancellation period. This period determines how long you have to retrieve an email after sending it. Choose the duration that best fits your needs, typically ranging from 5 to 30 seconds. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to scroll down and click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. With that all set up, let's walk through an example of recalling an email. Compose a message as you normally would, entering the recipient's email address, subject line, and body text. Double-check everything if you have the time, and when you're ready to send the email, click the Send button. Immediately after sending, keep your eyes on the lower left corner of the screen. You should notice a small notification pop up that says Message Sent, along with an Undo option right next to it. This is where the magic happens. If you realize you need to recall the email you just sent, click the Undo link within the time frame you set earlier. Upon doing so, your composed message will reopen, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments. You can either edit the text, check for errors, or even decide not to send it at all. Once you're satisfied with the changes, you can resend the email or save it as a draft for later. There you have it. Recalling a message in Gmail explained in a straightforward manner. Be sure to use this feature responsibly, and remember that it only provides a short window of time to undo sending. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try it out with non-critical emails at first to get the hang of it. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.